Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study maths in the last minute. First, quickly assess your current understanding to pinpoint areas needing the most attention. Don't try to learn everything. Instead, focus on high-yield topics and common problem types. Gather all your essential formulas and reference materials now, so you have everything at your fingertips. This initial step saves valuable time and directs your efforts effectively. Next, employ smart study strategies. Instead of passively reading, actively recall information using flashcards or by quizzing yourself. Work through example problems step by step, ensuring you understand the process, not just the final answer. It's crucial to grasp the underlying concepts rather than simply memorizing solutions. This active engagement helps solidify your knowledge quickly and efficiently. Now, let's optimize your study time. Allocate specific, short time blocks for each math topic, perhaps 25 minutes of intense focus, followed by a 5-minute break. These focused intervals help maintain concentration and prevent burnout. Remember to stay calm and trust the preparation you've already put in. A clear mind is your best asset for effective last-minute learning. Finally, for your last-minute review and exam day, quickly go over your key formulas and any common pitfalls you've identified. Getting adequate rest before your exam is paramount for optimal performance. A well-rested mind processes information much better. And hey, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Trust your hard work and approach the exam with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.